Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species.
Dog. It is a very clever animal and is very useful in catching thieves.
Camel. Camels are also called the sheep of the desert. They live in the desert and are perfectly adapted to the environment. Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as a livestock.
Sheep. Sheep or domestic sheep are a domesticated ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock. Cow. Cows are renowned for their large milk-producing glands known as udders, which possess 4 teats. Horse. Horses have 4 powerful legs, 2 eyes and a nose, ears and a tail.